Okay, so to do the front post single crochet, we look at where we just made our last stitch. We want to go back in there so that we can catch that front post of our next single crochet. So here's the V of our next stitch, here's the post right below it, and we're going to come in through the last stitch and out through the next stitch. So instead of how you would normally go in here to make your next stitch, that's where you're actually coming out of. So go in and out, then yarn over and pull up, and yarn over and finish your single crochet. So it's called a front post because we're bringing it to the front. Now you need to work your next single crochet. You can go ahead and do another front post, so you go back into that same spot that the next single crochet would be made if there wasn't a front post, and come in and out and pull up and single crochet. But if you need to do a regular single crochet, make sure you're not using that V stitch. Don't go into that one, you need to go into the next one, otherwise your stitches will be wrong. So again, to do the front post, go back in where you just made your single crochet, come out the next stitch to catch your post, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through. So that is the front post single crochet, super fast stitch refresher. If you need a slower, more in-depth video for the front post single crochet, go ahead and check out that video. But thank you for watching.